Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Very warm welcome to my vlog series. And today I'm going to share with you some wonderful views from Kashmir Valley. Our destination would be towards Leepa Valley. And we are staying at Pearl Continental Hotel, Muzaffarabad, which is the capital city of Kashmir Valley. So two routes from two different directions you can enter this particular place. One is from Mari Sehala into Muzaffarabad, and from yet another Balakot Gadi Habibullah into Muzaffarabad. So do come here to enjoy, and these are the surrounding views. Just stay with me, and we will be visiting Leepa Valley, one of the other important and beautiful destination of this wonderful land of Pakistan. Paradise on earth, mesmerizing views. Don't miss, stay with me. The wonderful surroundings, the lofty mountains, the surroundings of Muzaffarabad. So dear viewers, just in front of you is the Muzaffarabad, capital city of Azad Kashmir, and right here just below is the Pearl Continental Hotel of Muzaffarabad, the capital city of Azad Kashmir, just in front of you, surrounded by the lush green variety of trees, and at the far end the three mountains, and here is the meeting point of river Kumhar, river Neelam, and river Jhelum. The three rivers are meeting, and right now it is 6 hours and 20 minutes in the morning, and the surrounding views of Muzaffarabad, surrounded by the lofty mountains. It is before sunrise time, and now this is the area where the two rivers, river Kumhar and river Neelam, are meeting. And I have shown you the three rivers meeting place. And dear viewers, now to the right flank you will see the beautiful valley of Pir Chanasi in the suburbs of this Muzaffarabad. This is Pir Chanasi top. So dear viewers, you might have enjoyed. So dear viewers, just in front of you, one of the other so my dear viewers, this is yet another view from yet another direction from PC Hotel Muzaffarabad, Per Continental Hotel Muzaffarabad. And dear viewers, here you can see the two rivers which are joining later on the third one. The first one is crystal clear water, and the second one is muddy water, that is the Jhelum. So dear viewers, and just in front of you is the route leading to Balakot from Gadi Habibullah, and around 30 minutes journey you will be at Balakot. And from there one road is leading towards Naran Kagan, and on the other direction you will be entering into the Hazara Abtabad. So quite close to Balakot. This is one of the other route. Pearl Continental Hotel at Muzaffarabad, which is the capital city of Azad Jammu and Kashmir area of Pakistan. Dear viewers, if you want to visit this very fabulous capital city of Azad Kashmir of Pakistan. This is the car park area of Pearl Continental Hotel Muzaffarabad. So dear viewers, from two different directions you can visit Muzaffarabad, and from here you can move around towards various directions. One route is from Islamabad, Murree, Sehala into Muzaffarabad, and the other route is from motorway, from Islamabad motorway up to the Hazara interchange, and you will join Hazara Expressway, and from there go to Balakot. After crossing Abbottabad and Hazara, you will be able to reach to Balakot, and from Balakot about 30 minutes drive through Gadi Habibullah, you will be able to reach the river. Crossing the bridge, you will be enter into the Muzaffarabad city, and from there you can move to the this wonderful hotel. So this is the booking area, the reception area of this Pearl Continental Hotel of Muzaffarabad. This is the reception area. So the manager of this Pearl Continental is supposed to be here, and this is the wonderful woodwork of this beautiful Pearl Continental Hotel. Look at the wonderful display of this woodwork. Wonderful, very amazing. The tribute system of architecture has been adopted to complete the construction of this very beautiful and amazing Pearl Continental Hotel. The tribute architecture is by means of pillars, brackets, beams, and this is all about. And this is a double-storied building, so the wooden column, the lower one, the upper one, and in between the lower beams and the upper beams. So this is the tribute architecture. Yet another is the arcuate architecture. Through the arches and squinches, the building is raised and being strengthened. So here, through the, instead of the concrete or big pillars, these fabulous wooden pillars, one above the other, are used to raise the double-story architecture. So both of such architectural techniques are popular, and since the ancient time are being used here. The local style of architecture, not the borrowed one. And from the balconies, from the mirrors, from the glassy windows, you can see the surrounding. The wonderful landscaping is one of the 4 features of PC hotels in the whole of Pakistan. This is the dining area. The dining rooms divided into different sections, the Marco Polo and the Chinese restaurant, and the traditional, the Peshawari style, the Afghani style, barbecue, dum pork, and rest of the things are available. These are some of the pictures, photographs of various fascinating valleys of Kashmir, Some of them are from Neelam Valley, from Arankel, from Taubat, from Kale, from Jagran Valley, from Shontar Valley, from Baboon Valley, and yet another direction which we have selected for our visit, that is the Leepa Valley. So the Taubat and the Arankel Neelam Valley is linked with the northern areas of Pakistan, such as the Sharda is linked with the Jalkand, and from there you can take a route towards the Babusar top, and from other direction you can take your route towards Naran. And Taubat is linked with the Devsai, and whereas Leepa Valley is linked with the Srinagar of Indian Kashmir. So the rivers, one from Srinagar entering into the Leepa Valley, the other is from India into Pakistan. In India it is called as and here in Pakistan it is called as Neelam River, whereas the third one is from Jhelum, also from Kashmir, and yet another from Naran Kagan into the Kashmir Valley, that is river Kunhar, and all of them are joining each other. Jamal Abdul Nasir Khan, one of my lovely friends and cousin, due to his courtesy, he made this video for me. He visited this hotel, he stayed here, and from here he has been to Leepa Valley, and this is the wonderful view of the ceiling. You can see the Gothic ceiling, because rainfall is in great number as well. Because of the snowfall, you need to have this Gothic or tent-shape roofing. These are yet another photographs displayed here, and this is the second floor gallery and display of wonderful ceiling, and the rooms, the different rooms for the tourists who want to stay here at Pearl Continental Hotel, Muzaffarabad. And these are the different lobbies. Beautiful false ceiling, wonderful display. And this is the left area, and yet another direction of the lobby. Beautiful display, and these are the steps. And now we are moving towards the ground floor through these steps. Through these we are descending downwards, where different restaurants are located. Do come here to enjoy. And this is the garden area, the lush and green garden area. Wonderful landscaping, beautiful to watch, lovely to stay here, all of the facilities are provided to the tourist. Both local and foreign tourists are preferring to stay here. Well secure. The staff is so cooperative. They are very supporting. They are very dedicated and very sincere too. This is the front view. This is the front view. And the surrounding views from here. And dear viewers, this is the direction showing you that the different valleys are located to various directions. So through this you will be able to know the geography of this Azad Kashmir, the Pakistani Kashmir, the boundary wall. And this is the evening time, and rainfall is happening here very heavily. And the lighting system is so wonderful, and because of which the exquisite display of lawns and this pouring water can be visibly noticed. Very amazing, very interesting. And now this is night time approaching, and the sighting of moon. Wonderful to watch, treat to watch. Very amazing. The silver moon, in the background, the houses of Muzaffarabad showing lights on, representing a very fabulous scenario. The mesmerizing view of night is so wonderful, beautiful to watch. Don't miss opportunity staying here at PC Hotel Muzaffarabad. Wonderful to be here. From yet another balcony of the room you are watching. The beautiful surroundings of Muzaffarabad, the peripheries of Muzaffarabad, the wonderful mountains, beautiful formation of landscaping. Dear viewers, Pakistan is blessed with different wonderful valleys, rather to say it, paradise on earth. The northern areas of Pakistan are clearly in picturing us that these are in true sense are the paradise on earth. From the balconies of this Pearl Continental Hotel at Muzaffarabad, Kashmir. Sitting in the room, and from its glassy window you will see a lot. Don't miss opportunity. Staying here at this Muzaffarabad PC Hotel. The lovely picturesque views all around, the mesmerizing views, the serenity is enticing the tourist. Peace is prevailing everywhere. People are so caring, sincere, dedicated, devoted, and all of the people of different valleys will be welcoming you. They are guest lovers people. And dear viewers, good morning. This is the breakfast time. Variety of breakfast items displayed by the waiters. Different type of juices. Variety of breakfast item, orange juice. So dear viewers, good morning and welcome to the breakfast area at Pearl Continental Hotel, Muzaffarabad, Azad, Kashmir, and you are watching variety of breakfast items. Very delicious and tasty and great quality. You will enjoy. Do come here to enjoy the lovely atmosphere of this Pearl Continental Hotel, Muzaffarabad. Right now we are at Waterfall at Chakothi, which is 20 kilometers ahead of Chakothi. Dear viewers, if you want to visit this particular place, start your journey. You will reach to Saran, which is 30.8 kilometers from Muzaffarabad. From here, Chakothi is 26.4 kilometers and Leepa is 93 kilometers from Muzaffarabad. Right now we are in front of Waterfall, Chakothi, which is falling into Jhelum River, and it is entering from Srinagar into Chakothi. Srinagar is very close to Chakothi. Right now we are in the DaoKhan Valley, and the road is leading towards the Leepa Valley. This road is leading towards the Leepa Valley. The road condition is very good, you can see, and the wonderful views all around, the thick forest resources in the background, the wonderful environment of this very wonderful valley, DaoKhan. You can see the lush and green valley, denoting the wonderful views. Very beautiful, very attractive. The road side view, the clouds covering the blue sky, in between the blue patches of the sky. Right now we are at DaoKhan, another beautiful valley, and from here then we will be entering into the SheraGali on the way to Leepa Valley. Hotel at DaoKhan on the way to Leepa Valley. Right now we are at SheraGali, and it is also called as SheraGali or SheraGali, and after crossing this SheraGali, then we will be entering in the Leepa sector, and before Leepa sector, Leepa Valley, we will be crossing Tarkhana, and after crossing DaoKhan or DaoKhan, Now finally we are here at SheraGali, a beautiful valley. You must visit. So do come here to enjoy the wonderful valley of SheraGali. After crossing Tarkana, finally we have been reached to Leepa Valley. Very amazing, very interesting, very lush and green, very beautiful, and the mesmerizing views are so fascinating. Do come here to enjoy the beauty of this Leepa Valley at Kashmir. So bye bye, thank you for keep watching. So dear viewers, quite near to Leepa Valley right now. It is Reshian ahead of Leepa Valley, and at the top is Tarkana. This is Tarkana, and just above Tarkana is the Leepa Valley. So quite close to the Leepa Valley. Thank you, Jamal Khan. My dear viewers, Kashmir Valley is a paradise on earth, and the wonderful valleys inside the Azad Kashmir, and instead of the Neelam Valley and Taubat, Kale, Arankel, we are moving towards Leepa Valley, which is one of the other most wonderful valleys of Azad Kashmir. Right now we are entering in the Leepa Valley after crossing Tarkana, Reshian, and now we are moving towards the Leepa city. So dear viewers, don't forget subscribing my channel. And so dear viewers, finally we are entering in the Leepa Valley Bazaar. And dear viewers, this wonderful vlog which I have uploaded is to the courtesy of Jamal Khan, my lovely friends, who has been recently to the Leepa Valley, and you are watching the amazing and mesmerizing views of this wonderful Leepa Valley. And Srinagar of Indian Kashmir is quite close to the Leepa Valley, and one of the other rivers entering in this Leepa Valley is from Srinagar. So dear viewers, guest houses and a small bazaar is located here. The mountain peaks are covered by the snow. The cloudy weather is showing a wonderful and picturesque view. Do not forget subscribing my channel M.Naim Qazi. Thank you for keep watching, dear viewers. Special request for keep watching and subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Do favor to subscribe my channel. Right now we are at Leepa Valley. We started our back home journey, and down below you are watching the beautiful river Jhelum. And dear viewers, Leepa Valley is 93 kilometers from Muzaffarabad, and you are watching wonderful views. And Leepa Valley is 10,000 feet above the sea level. Dear viewers, do come here to enjoy this wonderful land of Azad Kashmir, and Srinagar is quite close. This river is entering into Chakothi from Srinagar, the Indian Kashmir. And dear viewers, these are the information. The area is very peaceful. The people are very sincere, very cooperative. So finally, dear viewers, we have stopped here for some refreshment. We need to have a cup of tea. So thank you for keep watching. Bye bye.